Hey, it's Raymond here from UMI Performance, here to talk about the 1978 to 1996 GM B-Body sway bar package we have. We have a 3635, it's 1 3/8 diameter, much larger than factory, and often the big GM B-Bodies came without a rear sway bar. So we have an 1 1/8, part number 3634. Together, these two help the B-Body corner much flatter and make the car much more nice to drive. If you have any product related questions about any of the things you see in our videos, you can email us at sales@umiperformance.com. And if you have any technical questions, we're always available at support@umiperformance.com.